All right, this screencast will help you find percent composition. Percent composition is helpful in that you can have a total compound or sample, and if you know the percent composition, you can figure out the mass of each part. Or if you're given the mass of the parts, you can figure out what percent composition. Percent composition is uniform in every sample that is the same substance. So if you have CO2, you always know that it's going to have the same uniform makeup. How you find percent composition is you take the mass of the element or the sample and you divide by the whole compound times 100. And it's kind of like finding a grade. You take the points that you've earned divided by the total points times 100, and that tells you what percentage of those points you got. A 60% would be, 60 parts out of 100 parts no matter where you are. So this graphic shows you two different samples. You have Fe2O3 versus FeO, and you can see that the percent composition is different between the two different compounds. So if we were being asked to find the percent composition for Cu2S, we would need to know the mass. So you have the formula, the molar mass, and then you can find the mass of each percent. So if we're looking at Cu2S, how you do this is you take the molar mass off the periodic table of the Cu times the number that are present to get a mass, and you do the same for the S times how many are present in the compound, and then you add up the whole thing, and this tells me that I have 59.1 grams for the total mass for Cu2S. This is the molar mass, by the way. So once you find the molar mass, then you're going to take the part divided by the total. So the part of the copper we determined, if you look back here on the previous screen, was 127. So 127 divided by 159.1 times 100 tells me that our substance is 79.8% copper. And if we take our 32.1 divided by the 159.1 times 100, we have 20.2% sulfur.